At Highcraft, we've been doing the shows for maybe nearly a decade now.
We look to doing about 4 a year. 5 years.
8 years.
So I started 25 years ago, and I know some of those exhibitors are still doing the shows with us. That shows their success.
I'm a big believer in home shows. It's not just about what you sell at a home show, it's actually about what it does for your brand. I think they're terrific and they work well for Nobby Kitchens.
Bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, appliances, flooring. We've got a wide variety of products on display, but one of the reasons that we come down here is, whilst we do a lot of advertising, this is the one show that we do where we get to meet with a whole heap of people that are renovating or building.
For exhibitors, the home shows are really important because in a lot of cases, the exhibitors don't get to see this many people face to face on a weekly basis. So to come here and to be able to show their wares to a vast market is a hugely important aspect of any of their day-to-day sales.
And then they come to the home show for the touchy feeling, and that was really good for us because that's when we can close some deals because they're very warm leads. And that's pretty exciting. And today we're getting clients that are ready to purchase, and that's pretty exciting for us because we're getting really good value for our dollar.
Yeah, well, we're building a new home. We decided to travel down this morning, get to see everything under one roof. Yeah, it's good for us to come down here and see it all in one day.
The amount of people that have come through today has been phenomenal, and the design stage here has been packed for every single session. If you're thinking about being part of the home show, don't think about it, just do it.
This is the show to be at. People who are building, people who are renovating, they're all here, they're all under one roof, and it's a great place to market to these people.
Thinking about coming down to the home show and meeting people, this is why we do it. We'd love to see you.